Hello YouTube, welcome back to Jadav's World. So today we have a really special watch. So basically this is known as a kind of automatic watch. We don't use any batteries or cells to keep this watch running. Hand movements are more than enough, and yeah, so this is actually not mine. One of my close friend Guru has bought it. I will give you a picture of like in the end of the video. And yeah, so this is from Fossil, and this watch costed around 15,000. So basically if you are going to shops and depending on offers and all, it may be costing you around 13,000 to 14,000, or might be around 15. So as of now this yeah, so let us unbox it. If you see here, the boxing is really good. Yeah, you can see green color over here. It says some different lines and everything. And here it is written Fossil in a very stylish way, which is a great thing again. And back here, if you see, you have some other information about the particular watch or any other information if you want to check around. I'll also post this image over here so that you can check on it. And yeah, coming back, so let us open this. We have already opened the watch in the mall itself or the store itself. Here in Hyderabad, near Himayatnagar, we have one of the Fossil centers or showrooms to buy the watch. So yeah, we have already bought it from there. And on opening it, first you have a glossy steel finish here, and here first it comes with Fossil manual, which we never read, so let's don't talk about that. And yeah, now coming up to watch, it is like simple packaging in a stylish way. So here we have a watch over here. This is like it has a really great box which it holds really good, so this watch will not move a lot either ways. So this is the watch. You only get watch in it. We don't even get any cleaning cloth or something, so you need to keep in mind that like for 15,000 you're only getting a watch and nothing else. So yeah, proceeding further, you have a like really close glossy look here. If you see these machines and all, everything, you can look into it. These machines and everything are visible. And coming up to the finish, it has a golden, it is actually a copper finish which shines as a gold, but then again it is a copper finish. And the glass, it is kind of kind of layered glass. If you just tilt the glass over there, you can see how exactly the layers are in it. And the numbers in the watch are in a Roman way. They like these are not kind of like normal 1 to 3. These are actually Roman numbers. So if you can see here, like the dial is really good. It has that particular kind of glossy finish in it. The has this kind of dial which has a good texture on it, so that you can roll your hands over there. You need not to change any battery cells on it. This has a normal belt. It's a leather belt, but if you want to change, you can go for kind of steel or something, if you like those belts, because this belt is directly from Fossil. We can change it. We don't get this watch with a steel belt. We don't have any option there. And also it has a good leather finish over inside. You can see that it is written Fossil over here. If you see, it is written over Fossil. And yeah, you have this belt protectors. There are two. So one is at exactly near the lock, and other is far. You can just move it so that you can adjust by your own like how exactly it is comfortable to you. Now looking at the watch, how exactly it looks, just look at it, how beautiful it looks from inside. You can just see how all the machines and everything are moving over there. And yeah, you can just figure it out how it looks. But then again, the special thing about this watch is you need not to first power up it. The only you see a pendulum over here. This actually is a kind of thing which powers up the watch. If you just wiggle it a bit, you see how exactly it is moving over there. That movement causes the watch kind of rotations inside, so that it will be running over days and days. This movement will be stopping within like if you once rotate it, it will be going on for like this watch will be running for like almost 3 to 4 days. But then again, after that it stops. You need to again wiggle this up. It will be moving and it will be charging up it. So you can again adjust the watch dials how exactly you want and whatever the time is on the basis of it. And the best thing on this is these are in Roman and in a very stylish way. On the top it is written Fossil, which is a really good thing. And if you see the particular, if you see at the hands which show the time, you can see actually they are white in the finish in the middle, but then again they are also made of copper. The second hand is actually of copper itself, which is very thin and it goes in a very light way, so that is a really good thing. But if you are going, or if you are willing to go with a steel kind of band, or like steel belt with it, but then again that will not be comfortable or convenient, because most of the time you don't get the copper finish steel belts, so that is one of the problem. And yeah, this watch is not a waterproof watch, guys. Again, you can't just take it into water. If you are going with it, then obviously you're wasting your 15,000 rupees, which is not a good thing, but unless and until you would like to. And removing the belts is really simple. You have the hinges over here. If you can see, I can just pull it off and it comes back. So just to put it in, you need to just do this. It over here, this will be clipping on. You can easily remove it, so that's not a problem. And changing the belt is actually not a problem on this. It is very cool stuff. But then again, I guess you would be willing to wear it on formals, which looks great, and on polos I guess, but not on t-shirts. You can go with a polo t-shirt, which looks good on it. And you have great adjustables here. You can adjust this. And also regarding the finish, how it looks, the dial is actually small. That is not really huge. It fits completely on your wrist. On my wrist it is like almost it fits on. I'll just give you the dimensions over there as well, at what dimensions you will be getting this wrist. I'll be uploading, I'll be just adding a pic over there. You can just check what are the dimensions. Again, it is from Fossil, and obviously this is one of the expensive watches. It comes on expensive ends if you are going with it, because basically I use the watches around not more than 3,000, because that's the limit, I guess. But then again, my friend is also very excited on buying exotic and expensive things, so he bought it. Better than actually this watch is really cool, I guess. And yeah, obviously you don't have any anything to change on it. It's like it will be going on and on. So if you want, you can change the belts if you are getting bored on it. But then again, let me tell you guys, this is not waterproof. You should not wear it. But basically highly it is only for functional uses. You can use it regularly, but need to be safe on it. So this was the actual video regarding the watch. So yeah, wrapping up let me tell you, I'll also provide you some links over there if I find this watch online. But basically I bought it offline on, like as I've told, from the Fossil showroom itself. So yeah, that is one of the thing. But online I'll check, and I'll also update the price as well. Might be the price will be varying online, but then again, the product, if you're buying this expensive product, you should be visiting the store. That's a good thing. Online purchases are not that great. Might be you will be having some fraudulent cases, which is also a not better deal. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's it about the video today regarding this watch. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not hit the subscribe button yet, make sure that you're hitting it, and like the video, do share it with your friends, so that they will know what exactly is going on in the world. The expensive watches are going on really good. And also comment in this comment box if you feel that I need to update some more things about the watch. Regarding the dial size, I will for surely update it. No, that should not be a problem. And yeah, that's it guys, wrapping it up. Thank you so much for watching, and this is Jadhav signing out.